All right. I don't like plain yogurt. Now I know some of you guys do, but I do have me some Greek plain yogurt. But I don't like ranch. I don't like sour cream. So I know I'm gonna improvise with some mayo. I like mayo, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this Greek yogurt in here, but not a lot. Okay, I'm not gonna put a lot. I can't front. I'm not gonna put a lot. Just a couple of little dabs in there because I'm gonna put the rest in here with mayo. Now, this is my first time trying this, so learn along the way because I'm going to make me a delicious gyro sandwich, and I want to have the tzatziki sauce. Tzatziki, okay? Tzatziki sauce, all right? So let's stir this up in here. I got my garlic. I got a lot of garlic. Now, I love me some garlic. Never put too much garlic in here. And that's right. It's going to be plenty garlicky. Got me some lemon juice here. A couple of lemons. So I can get these seeds out. Ooh, that's good and juicy. Kind of messy. Got some seeds in here. Just get them on out. We don't want to be crunching on nothing. Got me some dill. I couldn't find fresh dill, so I gotta go with the dried dill. Just a couple of sprigs. Hopefully this turned out right, y'all. I'm trying it out. You never know. Sometimes you have to go through trial and error before you get it right. But I feel like this would be delicious on a gyro because we're making us a gyro, chicken gyro. And we need the tzatziki sauce. We got to have it. It's thick. Now, it's thick. I'm going to put the rest of this lemon in here. This other half. And I'm going to taste it. And then I'm going to let it cool overnight. Kind of marry overnight while I marinate my chicken. Oof, all over the place. Probably need to add some pepper in here. Let's see. Add a little pepper. Maybe a little cayenne. I think I seen, because I got this recipe, kind of make it a little bit of my own from Food Wishes. Just a little cayenne, just a little bit. Ouch. Shoot. Boy. Boy. I'm telling you, I am just... Here's the taste of truth, the moment of truth. You gotta taste it. And I hope you are good. I'm gonna have to add some salt to it. But it's okay. Let's see. It don't taste bad at all. I taste that garlic though. It's actually pretty. It's actually pretty tasty. I'm gonna add just a little pepper. Excuse me, just a little more salt. Just a little bit. All right. This is actually good. Go me. Go me. All right. So now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, let it chill overnight while I work on my chicken. Be right back. Okay, now let's season our chicken. I've already washed it. I've dried it because it's better when it's dry. But I'm going to add some olive oil to it so that the seasoning can have something to stick on. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I really would appreciate it. Thank you so, so much. Now, I have a bunch of different seasonings here. First season I have here is this Badia jerk seasoning. You got the Sazon. I love this. I use this on my rice, on my chicken. I use it on everything. This is so delicious. I'm going to use some onion powder, garlic powder, and a little Greek seasoning here. Now, it may seem like a lot, but we want the seasoning. We want the chicken to be very, very seasoned here. So I'm going to be very, very giving with the season here. Ooh, have you opened this? So I'm going to use a package. I found a bottle, but I also have packages of this Sazan. I don't know what all these flavors are, but when I tell you, they are so delicious. It's going to give it a nice flavor, especially going in a gyro or a, you know, some people call it, I know it say pita bread because this is the bread we're using. I'm going to toast it. Open up a little pocket and fill it in. We're going to have a thick, hearty pita thingamajig, okay? So let's add a little garlic powder here. We already got a lot of garlic in our tzatziki sauce. Everything tastes better with garlic, right? And a little onion powder here. And let's get in here. I've already washed my hands. Now I'm going to chop this chicken up when it's time to put it in the pita bread. But right now, I'm going to let this sit overnight with the tzatziki sauce and let it marinate overnight. Wait a minute, I also have some green onions I want to put in here for some extra flavor. Here we go. That smells so good. So this is going to marinate overnight so that the meats come together. Make sure you get it in there really good so every piece has flavor. If your meat is shining like this with color, then you know it's seasoned good. But if you see a color here or there, that means that you probably need to add a little bit more. Because we want this good and seasoned here, see? We're going to let this marinate overnight. It'll be okay overnight. In the morning, the tzatziki sauce will be good and set in, and everything will be together. Everything will be delicious. All right? All right, so I'm going to put the lid on this and pop it in the refrigerator, and I'll see you back on the next video. Fry this chicken up, the seasoned chicken that has marinated overnight. I'm going to do a voiceover anyway because I know you're not going to be able to hear me. See? Break this chicken down. Then we're going to chop it up. So good. You put the seasoning. You know what? I think I'm gonna squirt. Squirt some more lemon juice. I can remove my little seeds. Ooh, this smells amazing. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mmm. All the lemony flavor. Goodness. Put a nice color, a nice char on this before I take it out. Then I cut it up. Nice. That color. That's what I want. Not the grill marks. I want the char marks. And just there we go. Yep. Okay, now let's assemble it. Now, the pita bread that I'm using is Joseph Flax Oat Bran or Whole. I've never used these, but I had to slit them open. See, got to open them up. This is what I have done. I have opened them up. Gotta be real careful, kind of toasted them a little bit so that it has a pocket. So I have two with pockets here. So let's start building. I do have some spring lettuce here, spring veggies here. I chopped up some sliced tomatoes and some sliced onions. Okay. I wish I had some blue cheese crumbles because that would have been ideal for it. But this tzatziki sauce is gonna have to do. Like I said, I've tasted this chicken and this chicken is absolutely delicious. So the seasoning is perfect on this. So let's do it. Let's start off with the tzatziki sauce. Tangy, garlicky, rich. Just a little bit of this inside here. Starter. Can you see that? Make sure you can see it. Okay. Let's get that on all the way through. Good. Make sure it covers. It's gonna be good. All right, let's start off with the spring. And I'm gonna put my veggies. Can you see? Make sure you can see this. All right. So we have our veggies. We have our tzatziki sauce. Have our spring lettuce here. Going to top it off with some tomatoes. And let's put some chicken in it. Let's see. Put as much chicken in here as you want. It's yours. You're eating it. Because this can easily make, I say 4. Easily, maybe even 5. Depending on how much meat that you use. But this looks full. Put another piece in here. Look at that. Now let's add a few more greens. Let's add some of these red onions. I love onions. What about you? And let's top it off with just a little bit more tzatziki sauce. See? There you have it. Can you see in there? See in there? Do the other one. Because like I said, I have a lot of chicken. I see with this leftover chicken, you can make some nachos. You can make some chicken fajita, some chicken quesadillas. Because see, well, let me fix this one. Then you'll see how much I have left. But it just depends on how many you're serving. Like, it's just me. So I kind of went overboard. But like I said, I could have it for something else. I could just put it in me a good container. Pop it in the refrigerator. And when I want some chicken, I can make me a chicken sandwich or chicken salad. Because this is a chicken salad too. You got your veggies. You got all this flavor. Tomatoes. Let's put some chicken in here. Kind of got a little hole in it, but that ain't gonna stop nothing. See there? Let's turn around this way. Here we go. All right, let's stuff it up. More chicken in here. Don't that look good, y'all? It look good to me, and I got plenty of chicken left over. So see, this is good. This is a way of pre-planning. You could already have things set up. Like I said, it's going to be good for some quesadillas or some chicken tacos. You can make some chicken tacos. All right, now let's add some onions to this. A few more greens on top. And let's put some more tzatziki sauce. All right. Stick too, because I added a lot of garlic. You may not like as much garlic, but like I'm a garlic lover over here, honey. I can never put too much garlic in here. See, here you go. Right here. Isn't that nice? And look at all the chicken I have left over. And it's full of flavor. See, all I gotta do is just lock it up. I'm gonna give it a taste. Let's see. Let's see what all hoop hop and the hooray is about. All right, first bite. Here's the first bite to you. Go on and bite, girl. You can bite a big bite. I ain't gonna judge you. Let's see. It's delicious. It's full of flavor. You get the crunch of the onions. You have the burst of the tzatziki sauce mixed with tomatoes and the greens. And like I said, the chicken is packed with flavor. I'm gonna add a little bit more sauce here. Go in with one more bite. This is delicious. So yes, it is delicious. This is absolutely delicious. Won't you give it a try? My first time, making tzatziki sauce. And I have to say this is a success. Pardon my manners. Thank you so much for watching my content. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.